Ever wondered what programming languages are used in game development? It's like asking a chef about the ingredients that make a dish spectacular. It's not just about the ingredients, but how they are used. So, sit back, relax, and let's unravel this mystery together. Firstly, a fundamental understanding of algorithms, data structures, and design patterns is essential. Imagine these as the basic grammar of any programming language. They are the building blocks, the ABCs, if you will, that shape how a game functions, how characters move, how quests are created, and how the game world reacts to player actions. Now, on to the languages themselves. C++ is one of the most widely used languages in game development. It's powerful, versatile, and known for its high performance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's the engine that powers many AAA games you might know and love. Next up is C#, a language often associated with the Unity game engine. C#, while not as powerful as C++, is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a popular choice for indie developers and beginners. Think of it as the reliable sedan. It may not have the raw power of a sports car, but it gets the job done efficiently. Then there's Python, a language known for its simplicity and versatility. Python is not typically used to develop games, but it's often used in game scripting and server-side operations. Consider Python as the reliable workhorse, always ready to take on the heavy lifting. Let's not forget about JavaScript and HTML5, often used in web-based games. These languages are like the nimble city cars, perfect for weaving through the traffic of the internet. It's important to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to choosing a programming language for game development. The choice depends on the type of game, the platform, the team's expertise, and many other factors. To summarize, understanding algorithms, data structures, and design patterns is like learning the grammar of programming languages. C++ is the Swiss Army knife, powerful and versatile. C# is the reliable sedan, known for its simplicity and readability. Python is the workhorse, often used in game scripting and server-side operations. JavaScript and HTML5 are the nimble city cars, perfect for web-based games. Remember, choosing the right programming language for game development is like choosing the right tool for the job. It's not just about the power or simplicity of the language, but how well it fits the task at hand. So the next time you dive into a game, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of algorithms, data structures, and design patterns, all written in a programming language that brings the game world to life.